Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where all the lanterns are and where the gems are so you can unlock the doll. So here, I'm on the last island on the very left. I'm starting here because I'm already here. So the boat's there, okay? So the first lantern is here. You're just going to use your mouse to click on it. The second one, I think there's 3 on this island. So I'm just going to walk there. I'm not using fast walk on this so you guys can see where it is. The next one is here. You can kind of see Scarlet from here. You're just going to turn this on. The third one's here. We'll do the last one back here later. It's here next to the shells. Then there's another one on that island. Over here behind that umbrella, and we're going to go back to the main area. So we're going to go back to the first island because the gem will be there as well. I think it could spawn anywhere though, but so far the gem has spawned just where the last lantern is, which is on the first island behind the pool floaty. Here, I'll show you in a minute. So here it is. So gem has been revealed. You're just going to kind of walk to it and claim it. So that's 1 out of 5. The second one is here. You're just going to turn all the lights red. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the gem has been revealed. It's this one here. Then you're going to want to go to the dressing rooms here, and you're going to kind of jump where this plant is, and a gem will pop up and you're going to just walk through it. The last 2 are in the studio, so we're going to go there. Actually no, the first one is in the house. So you're going to walk right behind the house. You will see a hammer. You're going to want to pick up that hammer up. And you're going to want to go inside of the house. Walk upstairs and to the bedroom to the right. You're going to break the piggy bank. And as you can see, there's a coin. You're just going to kind of walk through it. Go outside of the house. And go into the greenhouse with the fountain and click on the fountain, and you'll get a gem. Again, walk through that. Lastly, you're going to go back to the house. You're going to get the book, and you're going to walk over to the studio, and you're going to go to the classrooms over here. Put the book in the bookshelf. And you have your last gem. The free play will kind of shake, and you'll need to return to the cave, which is on the right over here. Lastly, you are going to just go in and do the smallest obby ever to reach the doll. You can jump on the bubbles, by the way. They will kind of give you a boost. Oops, wrong way, sorry. It's this way, and claim. Ta-da! That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!